Hi there, I'm gonna show in this video tutorial how to repair the Imei 4 Jazz Digit 4G using Furiousgold box pack 6 and OT-Smart module. Let's start by checking the Imeis. As you can see, we have here the values. We are going to repair these values. Please use this function only to restore the original Imeis. Now on OT-Smart module, we select repair Imei. We put here the value for the Imei number 1 and here the value for the Imei number 2. We press done, and once the software starts searching for the mobile, I'm going to insert the USB cable in the powered off device. Everything is okay, the phone gets detected and the work starts. All done in 2 seconds. Now let's remove the USB cable. Let's power on the phone and check if everything went okay. Okay, let's check for the serial. As you can see, we have here the values we entered in the software, so everything is okay. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.